Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint scanner animation on this device. So let's just open the settings application for the first. After that, scroll down to the security section, then click to the fingerprint, enter the password or draw the pattern, and then click here to animation style. Now we have here selected the ragdoll waves. We can switch it to the boomerang or the chroma dial. So let's just use this one, and now just let's see. As you can see, we just successfully changed our fingerprint scanner animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.